quote unquote screen time is an issue, but it's not a dichotomy. I think there's ways that we can integrate technology with engagement in nature in ways that sort of tap into the, in the ways children, particularly this generation of digital natives, are really, passionate about their technology. And um, you know, there are so many nature apps that can really help you understand what it is you're interacting with in nature. There's ways that you can use, your phone or iPads or whatever to take pictures and identify things, or to create a sort of digital story, or there you can get creative and integrate the two so that you're not saying to a kid like this, the digital stuff is bad and the nature stuff is good. I think that that's a mistake, and we really need to figure out how do we marry the two of them effectively, and we just don't go too far into the screen time side such that we're sedentary and not getting any outdoor time. Bring the technology outdoors if that's going to be motivating for kids.